As per our ongoing DOGELON Mars cost expectation, the worth of DOGELON Mars will expanded by 254.45%, coming to $0.00000489 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers, for the most part, demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness record in a real sense is perusing 16.45, which really implies intense trepidation in an unobtrusive manner. Our DOGELON Mars figure, it's hazardous to sell DOGELON Mars right now in a kind of significant manner. On September 16, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among DOGELON Mars cost expectations. See the for the most part accurate DOGELON Mars cost expectation beneath. You will essentially know the amount DOGELON Mars is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, DOGELON Mars generally has expanded by 2.45%. Because of this, we can sort of get, with the exception of a sort of slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of DOGELON Mars expanded by 112.84% and came to approach around $0.00000287, which is genuinely huge. At present, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity list shows 16.45 intense feelings of dread. Amazingly, as indicated by our estimate, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell DOGELON Mars, as opposed to prevalent thinking. At present, DOGELON Mars is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving really normal. For the truly most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a DOGELON Mars selling really signal in a significant manner. The cost of DOGELON Mars certainly is presently running underneath the 50-day really basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and it generally shows a sell truly signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.00000220 toward the finish of December, which really is genuinely huge. By December 2023-2024, DOGELON Mars' momentary 50-day SMA in a real sense shows a $0.00000140. The general strength list, RSI, energy oscillator, explicitly is a well-known pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money truly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unobtrusive way. RSI is as of now at Ercivalu, which is very critical. This shows that the Elon market is in an impartial position, in spite of prevalent thinking. DOGELON Mars value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, DOGELON Mars came to $0.00000364 when it dipped under $0.00000273. Interestingly, since January 2021, in opposition to mainstream thinking, as per the financial backers and market sends out, DOGELON Mars is en route to passing the $0.00000294 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00000294, it might break its characteristic of $0.00032630 and essentially reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, DOGELON Mars will break its past all-time high of $0.0000032630 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00000256 and $0.00000294 soon. At this point, on 16 September 2023, DOGELON Mars essentially is exchanging at $0.0000000134, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 2.96 M. And it makes number 276 money in the very entire crypto world. DOGELON Mars value expectation 2024. There is plausible that DOGELON Mars can get through the $0.000000336 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Actually, the least DOGELON Mars cost will be between $0.000000289 to $0.000000336, and the most probable DOGELON Mars cost will be consistent at around $0.000000324 toward the finish of 2024. Despite DOGELON Mars' certainly wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecasts that DOGELON Mars will for the most part reach $0.000000336 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. DOGELON Mars Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that ELN will begin the year at $0.000000397 and exchange around $0.000000489, which basically is genuinely critical. As indicated by their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. DOGELON Mars Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that DOGELON Mars 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. Yet it fundamentally is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $0.000000620 level. DOGELON Mars explicitly is anticipated to explicitly arrive at an unsurpassed high of $0.000000568 or $0.000000620 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended time of DOGELON Mars. DOGELON Mars Value Expectation 2027. DOGELON Mars Value Forecast, or ELN, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it truly can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, DOGELON Mars' cost explicitly is supposed to outperform $0.000000620 in 2027. It has been anticipated that DOGELON Mars will arrive at the genuinely greatest cost of $0.000000620, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.000000518, in the kind of next a long time from 2027. DOGELON Mars Value Expectation 2028 Market Exam